Hi guys, myself Gagan. I'm here to explain about the research I have done on the topic deep learning, a comprehensive review. This paper provides a comprehensive review on the deep learning models and techniques and challenges and the future research directions. Sure. Let us see what is introduction to deep learning. The deep learning has eventually grown in various applications and the transferability in available AI solutions for automations. The first introduction towards an anatomy of detection, the detecting an irregularities in the data and such as the fraud and the system failures, and the used in the financial recognition and autonomous driving and surveillances, and leveraging in the medical image detection in the dataset by training in a model improves the diagnostic accuracy, and it also used in the social network analysis. The categories of deep learning models. The deep learning refers to a subset of a machine learning where artificial neural network consist of multiple layers like deep architecture to a model complexity to a data patterns. The supervised learning and unsupervised learning. The supervised learning consists of deep neural network called DNN and conventional neural network called CNN, and the recurrent neural network RNN. Let us see what the content which is present in the unsupervised learning. First is autoencoders and generative advisable network and reductional Boltzmann machines. Advantages of deep learning techniques. The transfer learning leverages the pre-trained models on the task and fine-tuning them for another task where the less labeled data and reducing the training time and the resource usage. The first advantages is transfer learning. The leverages a pre-trained model on the task which is fine-tuned them and the other tasks like less labeled data and reduce the training time and reduce the usage. Federated learning. The distributed learning across devices without centralized data enhance the data privacy and the security. The online learning. The models are updated continuously as a new data arrives rather than the relying on the flexible datasets. The main challenges in the deep learning are the need a large and the high quality datasets for the function efficiently. The main challenges are data availability and the quality, the ethics and fairness and interoperability and reduce the obstruction. Let us see what are the challenges we're gonna face in the deep learning. The data recruitment and computational power and explainability. The first is the data requirement. The deep learning model requires a large amount of labeled data to perform effectively, which can be difficult to obtain in a certain fields. The transfer learning and the data augmentation techniques are used to reduce for the naming of the large data sets. And now the computational power. The training a deep neural network and especially the large models like an GPT and RESTnet and ResNet and the requires a subset of computational resources and the time. The expandability. The the deep learning models, especially the deep neural networks, are often seen in the black boxes due to their working efficiency and explainability working. The research in this explainable AI XAI aims to develop a technique to more these models are impracticably transparent and especially in the critical area like healthcare and finance. Let us see future directions in the deep learning. The features in the deep learning will requires a collaboration across the fields, including the ethics, law, and the domain expert, to ensure the model and ensure the models are not only powerful but also trustful, worthy, and fair. The hybrid models. The combining the different learning paradise like an supervised and refined learning techniques to create a more flexible and powerful models. And a safe learning ensures a deep learning system can operate in a safe and unpredictable environment in which the applications in the robotic and healthcare and autonomous vehicles. Efficient learning. Reducing the complexity and the computational requirements of the deep learning models by leveraging the techniques like few shots learning, where the models learn from a small amount of data. Let us see the applications of deep learning. The computer vision. The used in image classification and object detection and facial recognition and medical imaging. The example like the deep learning models like CNN, conventional neural network power applications such as self-driving car and automated medicine diagnosis and security system. Then the natural language processing, NLP. The main application of this to enable the machines to understand and generate human language, useful in applications like semantic analysis and translation and chatbots. Examples like the models like transform based architecture like GPT and BRAT, power services like Google Translator, and the virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. These are the main applications of NLP. And the main applications of deep learning is used in the healthcare. The deep learning is used in the drug discovery, medical imaging, and predicting. These are the these are the fields in which can the deep learning can contribute. Examples like an AI-driven diagnostic tool used to in the deep learning model, in which it helps in detecting a diseases for by scanning the X-ray or medical copies. The accuracy and the manpower it is very high, and these are the main applications of deep learning. Thank you.